Welcome to your gut microbiome stool collection instructions. Let's walk you through the process, step by step. Preparation. Ensure to return the sample within 5 days of transferring stool into collection tube. Store at room temperature, 5 degrees to 25 degrees, away from direct sunlight. No refrigeration needed. Transfer the stool into collection tube within 10 minutes of passing stool. Avoid contamination of sample with urine. Step 1. Prepare for the stool collection. Open the box and take out the stool collection paper. Stick it to the toilet rim using the adhesive strips. Ensure a hollow center where your stool can land. Lower toilet seat on top of the paper. Pass stool onto the paper only. Do not urinate on it. Step 2. Collect stool sample. Place collection tube upright in the box using the circular holder. Twist off the lower cap anti-clockwise. Remove the cap and the attached spoon carefully. Do not spill the liquid inside. Use the spoon to collect 1 full scoop of stool. Avoid any urine, water or tissue contamination. Collect the sample within 10 minutes of passing stool. Step 3. Secure the sample. Transfer the stool and scoop into the tube and tighten the lid firmly clockwise. Ensure the stool is fully covered by the liquid and the liquid level is between the 2 marked lines. Place the tube inside the biohazard bag and seal it. Put the sealed bag back inside the box. Flush the remaining stool and flushable paper. Step 4. Schedule pickup. Reply to the automated WhatsApp message to book your sample collection. Ensure sample is picked up within 5 days of passing stool sample. Results will be ready within 10 to 14 days after the lab receives your sample. Book your nutrition consultation for 14 days after your sample is picked up or once notified. Need help? WhatsApp +971 50 998 0085.